Today we're going to remove the stock amp and replace it with the replacement from a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is remove these 4 screw tabs right here that are holding it into place. We're going to go ahead and remove our trunk liner. And now we're going to pull these. Let me see. Pull these out and pull this up here. There it is. That releases that. Now we're going to go ahead and move this to the side. It looks like we have a screw here. Go ahead and remove that. And we're going to use a 10mm to get that nut off. And just put this in a nice safe location. And now out comes our amp. Go ahead and undo our pigtails from there. Alright, and there it is. Sounds damaged. Let's go ahead and put in the new one. Grab the new one. Plug in your pigtails accordingly. Alright, and as soon as I plugged it in, I have the door chime now. It's working. Great, that's a good sign. And let's go ahead and hook this right in there. And set that right there. Let's go ahead and put that nut back into place. Go ahead and secure that down with a 10. Let's go ahead and give it a rip. Fuck yeah. I hear the radio. Heck yeah, so let's go ahead and put this back together. So now we're gonna go ahead and put this in reverse. Let's go check it out real quick. There it is. Nice. There's sound now. Sweet. Let's go ahead and put this cover and clip it right in there. Like so. There it is. Go ahead and put this liner right underneath it. Just like so. Just work it all the way through until you cover it all. Let's go ahead and put our trunk liner back into place. We can throw that amp away. That's no good. Put this in here and adjust it. Let's go ahead and put in our retainer caps there. Retainer screws, whatever you want to call them. Here. 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 And over here. Over here. Down here. Go ahead and secure them all down. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and put all your stuff back into the trunk. And you're set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.